The face massager kit is magical with two types of massage devices. One is 3D roller face massager and the other is T-shape electric energy massage device. Enjoy your skincare time with them. 3D roller electric sonic energy massage device is so wonderful with surface diamond grade, cut small diamond shape and unique 3D V-type design to fit the whole body tightening curve. T-shape head is designed for 6,000 vibrations per minute and is good at tightening skin. Daily use of the massage device will make your face and skin look healthier and younger by reducing wrinkles and removing dark circles. Moreover, it will increase skin metabolism through stimulating your blood circulation, resulting in an instant facelift. Massage can promote skin better absorption for skincare products, mask, Florence oil, skincare liquid. You can enjoy it while showering due to the special 360-degree waterproof design. Moreover, the T-shape and 3D roller massager allows you to use the product on any part of your body from the angle that you prefer. What's more, you can use the electric massager whenever and wherever because of its portable design and the included delicate storage bag. Requires one AA battery, not included. Electric power driven, stable performance, good circulation. Besides manual control twist on/off. Some brands' rechargeable AA battery is oversized. If you could not put battery into device, please change other brand AA battery. Before shipment, we have checked all devices one by one. However, some customers may receive defective devices due to some devices would be damaged during transport due to suffering impact. If you receive defective device, don't worry, just contact with us. We provide customers 90 days free refund or free replacement after sale service.
You enjoy the tensive and fabulous modern life, but do you realize your skin is tired of it? COSBEAUTY, perfect radiant and iron skin refreshing device, adapts 4 frontier technologies: warm circulation, cold pore refining, negative iontophoresis, and vibration massage, as well as all-in-one button for various skincare modes. Help to improve the sub-health skin status like rough, dull, swollen for modern women. Just 10 minutes a day to revitalize your tired looking. After cleansing, press the power button. The power indicator light is on in white. The device is standby. Press the power button again. The power indicator light turns to red, starting the warm mode. At the same time, press the vibration button, V. The vibration mode indicator light turns on in white, starting the vibration massage. The device can be used with the smoothing toner, lotion or cream. When using with smoothing toner, the cotton pad is placed in the refreshing head with the toner on it. While using with lotion or cream, apply it evenly on the refreshing head or face. Put the refreshing head closely to the face and slowly move it, following the direction shown on the screen. Warm massage in 40 degrees centigrade helps to open the pathway of skin for nutrition absorption, accelerate the facial blood microcirculation, and effectively discharge excess moisture and toxin in skin, providing improvement of dull, swelling, and other skin problems. 3 minutes later, the power indicator light turns to be in blue. The device is automatically switched to cold mode. Cold massage in 12 degrees can contract the skin immediately and keep the nutrition in it. Alternative warm and cold massage can enhance the elasticity of skin, tighten the facial contour, quickly reduce the facial swelling due to lack of sleep. The cold mode will turn off automatically in 4 minutes. Then the device is standby again. Long press the power button to turn off the device. 7 minutes in morning. Start a new vigorous day with a
So they say to take a makeup remover. I'm going to use a micellar water today, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this on a cotton pad. The device is off, and I'm just going to place the pad right like that, and then take this little clip thing that's on the cleaning mode. Let's go to the second intensity, and it says to move the device in slow circular motions. Oh, I can definitely feel it heating up. So again, you don't want to keep this on the face, like on one spot of the face for too long. And continuing with those circular, oh, it does actually feel really relaxing with that heat in it. So did actually obviously remove my makeup because I was wearing makeup before. Because I do use a double cleanse method, I'm going to take some cleanser. This is just the milk oat cleanser from Phoebe, like so. Turn that on, go in circular motions with the cleanser, and the device does automatically turn off after 4 minutes, which I appreciate because you don't want to be overusing this. There we go. So I'm gonna go rinse my face real quick and I'll be right back. So next, for the penetration mode, it does say to apply some type of skincare. So I'm just gonna apply a serum. I do have to say I like the weight of this and I like how it feels in the hand. So apparently the penetration is supposed to help with letting products absorb into the skin. Oh yeah, it is heating up. And it just says to lift with this, not to let it sit on one spot of the skin for too long. This has vibration to it. Honestly, the vibrations can just feel like relaxing on the skin. But I don't know how much they'll do as far as like actually helping. It actually is heating up quite a bit though, so that makes me hopeful. Okay, so now for the lifting treatment, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a conductive gel. You can use aloe vera even for this, but you want something that can conduct electricity. So the lifting treatment is a combination of radio frequency and electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, as well as that light therapy. So let's see what it can do. Going to the lifting, I have my conductive gel on, and I'm gonna go to level 1 for this one. Oh yeah, I feel that. So you'll kind of feel your face twitch a little bit. You will need the conductive gel for this to actually conduct that electricity through your skin. Wow, this feels really interesting. Ooh. So apparently with this lifting mode, it is switching from 1 minute of EMS to 1 minute of the radio frequency. So right now we have the EMS going. So now it's switched to just the radio frequency, and it's definitely heated up. It's kind of interesting. You're kind of getting a 2-in-1. So I will say that's pretty unique with this product. Now let's try the special mode. So for the special mode, they said to take an eye cream and apply it around the eye area. And they say to just go lightly around the eye area with that eye cream, so it kind of slides. Oh, it's heating up. There we go. Okay. So you want to be careful with this around the eye area since it is hot. And the eye area is delicate, so be careful. That actually felt really relaxing, and it did heat up quite a bit. So now for the cooling mode, so I'm gonna go to that, and the blue light comes on. Oh, this actually does get cold. Wow. This is actually really cool, even if you like wake up puffy in the morning, because I just use like a roller. But it actually gets cold that it feels like you took it out of the fridge. What? That is super cool. I kind of like how this is such an all-in-one product. Like, if it works how it's supposed to and what it claims, this is really cool. Especially like for traveling too, just to have like all that all-in-one handheld device, and it actually does get like decently cool. So I am done with my skin treatment. So what are my final thoughts? I actually really liked the feel of this device. I like the different modes, and I would say the device heated up quite a bit, so that kind of tells me that this would work well. I did really enjoy the cooling setting actually. Now of course I would have to use this over a longer span of time to actually see if it works and it can compare to the results that you would see over a long period of time, of course, compared to kind of like those in-office treatments.
Hi guys, here today looking at this really cool pulse massager. It's suitable to use on your face, your neck, and pretty much all over your body, such as your arms, your legs, and your waist. So you can see it has a really nice design with these balls, which they can move up and down on your skin, like so. When you move upwards, you can see it kind of pinches the skin. So it's great for reducing lines on the neck and wrinkles on the face. And you can also use it as a massager to relax on your legs and your arms. But you don't just use it like that, you turn it on. And when you turn it on, you can see there is lots of different settings. And it also has a light. So I'm just gonna put the light on, and you can see it's vibrating. And there is a light here. There's different modes for the light. As it vibrates, you can have it flashing. The blue light is supposed to be good for helping with pigmentation in your skin. So if you have redness, some kind of acne, the blue light can actually help to reduce this. And like you can flash and use the blue light therapy, as well as the pulsing, which can help to reduce the sight of wrinkles, etc, etc. So if you use it on the rest of your body, it can also relax you. So there's lots of different uses. You do receive this instruction manual, and inside are lots of different ways to use it and how you can enjoy it to its full potential. And when you finish, you can put it inside this beautiful little dust bag that you get inside it. And this here is the charger. So once it's fully charged, you have a really long battery life, and it can vibrate, it says up to 8,000 times. So I guess that's hours and hours, days and days before you have to recharge it if you use it every single day. So everything goes inside this beautiful gift box, and it would be the perfect gift to give to someone for maybe Valentine's Day, their birthday, Christmas, anniversary, or any special occasion. So it's perfect to give as a gift for somebody. So really